Okay, in today's Khan Academy lesson, we are learning about rotating a point about a particular spot. And so here's the point that they have, and they're wanting us to rotate it about this center dot. And when we talk about rotate, we're talking about doing a spin. And a spin, that means to do this, to rotate. And they're asking us to rotate in a direction that is clockwise. So clockwise moves like a clock does. So that's in this direction like this. That's how they're wanting us to spin. So we are going to spin this dot around the center. And they're asking us, where will it land up? When I spin this dot, and so it'll look like this. We're going to take that dot and we're going to spin. Can you see how I'm going? Like this would be clockwise, the way a clock moves, and this would be counterclockwise. And they're saying spin it, and where is it going to land up when I spin that dot? Well, how far are we spinning it? 90 degrees. And it'll help us to know about 90 degrees if I put a coordinate plane on here like this. 90 degrees is going to be 1/4 of this spin. So when I go back in here and I spin this, I'm going to spin it just 1/4. See how it's coming around, and it'll stop right here. So this is the new dot. That's the new position of the dot, is right here. So let's put this out of the way, and let's see what we have. So we started here at point P, and we ended up over here at point A. And so our answer to this problem would be A. Let's take a look at that one more time. If I'm on my center here, what we actually did, we were here and we spun it 90 degrees and we landed here on point A. Let's take a look at problem 2, and I'll let you do the others on your own. Okay, so in this one, they've actually drawn a shape for us. And again, when we say rotate, we're asking to go through a spinning motion. And the other problem, we went clockwise, but in this one, they're asking us to go counterclockwise. So our spinning motion is going to go in this direction. That's the direction of the spin. And we're going to be rotating about the origin, or right across the middle here. And how far are we going to rotate? 90 degrees, or 1/4 spin. So let's go ahead and take this, and we're going to take it. You'll just have to visualize it. You're actually not going to be able to spin it like this. Notice this is counterclockwise. This would be clockwise. So we're going to go 1/4 turn counterclockwise and stop right here, and we see where does the object land up, and we can see it lands up over here. Which one of these images looks like this one, would you say? And I would say, it's like these look really close to each other. How do I tell whether it's option A or B? And the way you're going to do it is by looking at the spaces between here and here. From here to here is 2 spaces, and before it spun was right here is 2 spaces, and this one here is 3 spaces, and before it spun it was 3 spaces. So that's the spinning that happened. And so I would say that the answer would be A. Looks like this one here. Whoops. Where did I have that? Yeah, I would say here it's option A is what I would put in there. All right, there you go. I know these are a little tougher. Just spend some time, do your best. All right, thank you, everybody.